Here's your review on the quadratic formula. So if you have a quadratic equation, the first number is a, the second number is b, and the last number there is c. And the formula is big fraction line, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So that's the formula we're going to use. So we're going to get two examples here and see if you can use it to solve it. So I want to solve this equation using this formula. So step one, the first number is 2, the second number is negative 1, and the last number is negative 7. Then the formula. So x equals, and I'm going to follow this. And wherever there's a b, I'll put in negative 1. An a, I'll put in 2, and a c, I'll put in negative 7. So just follow the formula. So that's negative 1. That's negative 1 squared. That's 2. And then c is negative 7. And then all over 2a. So step one is to use that formula, plug in the correct numbers. Now we have to evaluate this. So a negative times a negative is positive 1. Underneath the square root sign, so a negative squared means negative 1 times negative 1. And then negative 4 times 2 times negative 7. So that's 56. Yes. Over 4. So under the square root sign, 1 plus 56 is 57. There is no number times itself that equals 57. And those are your two solutions, and you'd leave it just like that. All right, here's your second example, last one before you do that quiz. All right, use the quadratic formula to solve this. So, a is 3, b is negative 2, and c is negative 5. The formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, a negative times a negative is positive 2. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. And then a negative times a negative is going to be plus. So 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 5 is 60. Sixty plus 64. 60 plus 4 is 64. And then what number times itself is 64? And this is going to give us two answers. So one answer is 2 plus 8. That's 10 over 6. And the second answer is 2 take away 8. Now, negative 6 divided by 6, we can actually, that's not a fraction, that's a number. So our two answers are 10 over 6 and negative 1. All right, Mr. D Math over and out. Good luck. I hope this helped.